Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to explain about access rights for a user across multiple companies. Suppose you have 3, 4, or 5 companies, and if you have a financial controller, FC, or a manager, they may need access to all 3 or 4 companies. So how can this be done? On the top right side, you can see multiple companies. For example, 9 companies. Now, if I have one user, that user should have access to the first 3 companies. In this case, first we need to go to Settings, then go to Users and Companies, then Users, and select the user. For example, Mark Demo is my user. Then you can see the Companies field. Here, we can select the companies to which the user needs access. Also, there is a default company. At the time of login, this default company will be shown automatically. However, the user will still have access to the other selected companies as well. So this is how we can give a user access to multiple companies. Once they log in, they can see these companies in the list. Then they can switch between companies or select multiple companies. Thank you.